boy. It's Saturday. Saturday night. It's 7 p.m. Can you believe it? Welcome to the vlog, guys. Sean, did you have a long day shopping today? Yes, you got a lot of cool stuff today, though. We went to quite a few stores. We just came back from dropping off one daughter, dropping off the stuff that we picked up for the other daughter, and then we just got home. So, oh my God. My hips are broken. My back hurts. I gotta cook dinner, but I want to show you what we got first. So we started off at Target, and Sean scored pretty big at Target today. He got a Bluey folder. These are nice folders too because they're like plastic. They're not gonna rip. And he got a Super Mario folder. Very exciting. Sorry, the lighting is terrible right here. He also got one of these accordion folders instead of those little gift bags that he takes carrying around with him that are ripping now. So I'm sure he'll be happy to get his stuff in there. Guys, you got to tell me, when did e.l.f. come out with hair care? This smells so good, and it just so happens to be vegan and cruelty-free. So I'm very excited for this. I just tried out a moisturizing shampoo called Never Thirsty, and it smells really good. Oh, it smells so fresh. I'm going to love that. We also got some rice crackers, which we really love, and Sean got a bubble gum. That's what we got at Target. Then we went to Walmart, where Sean also scored pretty big. What's the matter? At Walmart, however, I believe they have shrunk their vegan section to like one facing in the refrigerated section, which is very upsetting. But we did get some chicken nuggets, some chicken tenders. We got 2 more boxes of the Better Than chicken nuggets, which are only like $3 each. And I got a yogurt. I picked up other stuff there, but it wasn't for me. Sean also got a new backpack for his day program. Here, what's in there? Show everybody.
Flying monkeys.
Yeah, take it out and show everybody. Alright, we got a Lammy notebook. We got a plushy flying monkey. And a little tiny backpack that you can keep stuff in there. You like that?
Yes.
Okay, this is yours. The Lammy notebook is for me. I'll take that, thank you. Walmart was really giving. Maddie wanted me to stop there because they had the back to school stuff, and they just so happened to have some goose themed stuff, which she is obsessed with. And if you watch on the crochet channel, you know that she loves to make geese and birds and all kinds of gooses. Oh, we also got this at Target. It was really good. The Colin the Caterpillar Softies. Everybody attacked these. They were really good. These were from Germany. They're accidentally vegan. Maybe not so accidentally. Then we also, last stop was Shoprite. Actually, last stop was gas at BJ's, but we didn't go in. We just got gas. Oh, yeah, excuse you is right. That's the caterpillars talking. Went to Shoprite. They had the chips on sale. They had Mark's oatmeal cereal on sale. Finally, we got the vegan yellow rice mix. It's back on the menu. Some Q-tips. Yeah, it's an avalanche right here. I got some multi-grain pretzels. Just don't fall. I got some grape leaves that were on sale. Mark insisted on pearl onions. I seconded that. I love pearl onions with mashed potatoes and mushrooms and gravy. Got some vegan cold cuts. We got some Zevia cream soda for dirty sips. We got some coconut cream for curries. Guys, last week I made, I don't know if I told you or not, I made a Japanese katsu curry. So good. Thank you, Miyoko, for the recipe. I think I told you guys. It was really good. I should probably make that, like, on the channel, but I'm sure I didn't do it as good as she did, obviously. Got some super firm tofu. Got 2 of those. They were on sale. Sean got some goldfish with Pokemon on it. Italian flour. This is one of our favorite sauerkrauts. It's from Poland. It's spicy garlic sauerkraut. We love that. Some olives. Haha, that's for me. Some Country Crock plant butter was on sale. It's good for making cookies and stuff. Mark finally got his pomegranate juice, his favorite brand. We got some meatballs. I haven't tried this yet, or maybe I did, and I don't remember, but I got the silk half and half. I'm going to have to add my own sugar to that, because I usually get the sweetened creamer. 2 rock hard peaches that will probably be ripe in 2 days. They had the Captain's Wafers. Well, they had all of the Lance crackers, 3 packages for $10, which is pretty good. And honestly, this is everybody who's vegetarian's favorite. I can't eat these because they have milk in them, but everybody else enjoys those. Got some more wraps, some broccoli, some scallion pancakes. These were on sale. And we used our coupons from the Coupon Fairy to get a Red Baron pizza and a Freshetta pizza. So that was exciting. And I have to give Sean all of his stuff here that he's getting. Let's see. He's got the gum. He's got the folders. He's got this big folder. He can transfer all of his stuff now. Lucky you, bud. You happy with that? Yeah. He's so happy now. And now I have to put everything away. And I guess the boys are going to have pizza. Maybe I'll have some tofu and some scallion pancakes. And I'm going to collapse on the sofa for a little bit. Going to watch some Big Brother later. Maybe some Little House on the Prairie. And I'm going to do some crocheting because I'm working on the vintage mouse. His name is Edmund, but I like to think that the designer based him off of Eddie Redmayne's character in the revival of Cabaret on Broadway. I think she did. I mean, I could email her and ask her, but I think that's what she was going for, and I am here for it all day. Oh, hi.
Hi.
It's Monday again.
Busy, busy Monday.
We had a great weekend.
Yeah.
We had family fun day yesterday.
Yep. Swimming, D&D.
Mac
Good
and
times.
cheese.
Yes, it was delicious.
Vegan mac and cheese.
Had some for lunch today again.
Mm-hmm.
Even on the reheat.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Slapped.
Mm-hmm.
We all got upgraded on our D&D campaign.
Yes, we are up to level 4 now.
I don't know how many D&D players there are out there who that would mean anything to. But
I think a lot. I mean, we've mentioned it
that
before.
watch. Yeah.
We've mentioned it before. Like, quite a few of you guys were like, I play too. So.
Well, what level are you up to, like, on your game that you play with your friends?
Well, we play a bunch of different games. We've also had campaigns that have already, like, ended.
Oh, okay.
I feel like the highest we've gotten for, like, one of our actual games was, like, maybe, like, 15 tops.
Oh, okay.
You can only go up to 20.
Oh.
So we've never gotten all the way up to 20 before.
Okay.
I think we did level 20 for, like, a one-shot. But
Right.
not, like, for an actual campaign.
So, like, just for fun.
Yeah. So.
Like, you had so many lives.
Yeah, I would love to be a level 20 in the game where I'm playing a druid because I want those unlimited wild shapes. But we're not quite there yet.
No.
But anyway, we have some mail to open up.
We don't have any birthday shout outs, but we do have mail time.
Woo! All right.
Mail time.
first things first.
Sounds like what?
Yes. Got the latest issue of Playbill magazine.
Yeah.
Gail, Greg, and Jules, thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is exciting too because this is the Inside the Tony Awards one.
Uh-huh.
Ah!
Yeah, I haven't been to the post office in a while.
Yeah, but oh my god, I saw Joshua Henry in Carousel.
Yes.
I'm so excited that he's a Tony winner now.
And we saw that Marky Ballas got a Playbill cover. I don't know when it's coming out, though.
Maybe that's the next one.
It might be the next one.
Ooh, but I'm so excited to dive into this, so thank you again.
Yeah.
Alright. I think we also have some stuff here from the Sample Fairy.
Yeah, Sample Fairy.
We still don't know who it is. They haven't come forward yet.
Well, you could see in my grocery haul that we got the 2 free pizzas this weekend.
Oh, nice.
And Mark and Sean enjoyed one of them for dinner on Saturday night, which was really nice to not have to cook.
Yeah. So thank you, Sample Fairy.
Yes, thank you, Sample Fairy.
Well, this time we got a coupon here, save $3 on a package of greenies for either canine or feline.
Oh.
So that's fun. Bubby loves his
Yeah,
little
thank
toothbrushes,
you.
so I'm sure he'd love that.
I wonder if Lammy would like those, because she doesn't really like hard things to chew.
She likes like her squeeze
Her tubes.
tubes and stuff like that, but maybe she would like something like this.
I don't know, we might give it a try.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And let's see what's in here.
You need scissors?
This one I think I need scissors if you have them handy.
Oh, I do.
Oh, yes, Chris from the Enchanted Skein.
Yeah.
My mom uses her hook keeper for her scissors.
Yep.
Because she's always losing her scissors.
I lose my scissors more than I lose my hooks.
You do. Alright.
And I almost never crochet in the car because it makes me nauseous.
Yeah. It makes me nauseous too, but
You still do it.
I still do it. It's really bad.
I don't want to throw up.
No. Alright. This one is some Dine Calming for doggies.
Oh.
Melatonin free calm. Prompt gentle calm. This is a natural chicken liver flavor.
Oh.
And you get 3 chews.
And of course, there's a crazy ass border collie on the front.
Of course.
Calm down.
Interesting. Okay, we'll have to check this out.
Yeah.
This would definitely be nice for Bowie because, as you guys are, I'm sure, aware,
He's crazy.
he gets very hyped up. So thank you so much.
He's hype.
Yes. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
We also have some cards here. Ooh.
Ooh, that one's got a pup sticker on the back.
It's from Dursey.
Dursey.
Dursey and Nikki, I'm sure, right?
Yes, of course.
I don't want to rip this sticker.
I know.
Let me see if I can do this without ripping it.
You need the scissors again?
Well, I just don't want to rip the sticker. Yay!
All right.
The sticker has survived.
It's intact.
Let me show you guys up close because it's really, really cute.
It is cute.
Okay. Look how adorable.
Oh, yeah.
So cute.
That kind of reminds me of that dog on
Get out
Instagram.
of here, poop video.
Carlito Benito.
Yeah, it does. Oh, look how beautiful this is.
Ooh.
Some abstract art here.
I love modern art.
Yeah, beautiful. Oh, we got a long note here.
Oh. You want to give me a sum and substance?
Let me see. I think I can read it. Hello, friends. First off, want to thank you for the June birthday shout out. What a
Oh.
treat. Made my day.
Oh, you're welcome.
I'm so glad.
Of course.
Yes. In throes of Big Brother 28 with your daily and post-show recaps. Thank you for sticking with us. I want to say rise. What a rise so far.
Want to ride?
Oh, what a ride. That makes more sense. What a ride so far. Agree.
I'm telepathic.
Yes, agree. Someone at headquarters has stepped up their game. For real. There's a lot
Yeah.
of stuff that they've really, like, improved on.
I'm telling you, they got some TikTok teens in there.
Yeah. The timetable is a tad kitschy, but it's grown on me. Just not the overacting, but hey, why not, right? I feel like they could tone it down.
The
a
show
little bit,
is
for sure.
about all the cheese, but
Yeah. I still haven't picked a fave, though, for myself. Leaning towards Angela, because it's Angela. Angela can really piss me off sometimes, but
Yeah.
always come back to our baby girl. Enjoyed your recent video of the trip to the animal sanctuary. It was awesome.
Oh, yes, it was. That was a great, great day.
Yes. My plan is to order one of the t-shirts at the minimum. Yay!
Oh.
I love my t-shirt that I got there.
I just wore mine yesterday, and it is one of the most comfortable, pleasant t-shirts
Yes.
that you can get.
It's very, very soft. Very good quality. Wonderful cause. Love it. Sending along a sticker for Maddie, which is self-explanatory.
Oh.
Yes. It's a kitty who is ready to have a day of relaxation, looks like.
Yeah, got a
definitely-
towel on her head and a bottle of milk.
I could use that. The minute I saw it, I had to grab it from the freebie bowl at my vet. That's so cute.
Aw.
By the way, I was never offended at the towel.
Oh, right.
Okay, I was just thinking about that the other day, how it used to piss people off
Yeah.
when I would wear a towel on my
How
hair.
dare you show up with a towel?
My hair was soaking wet.
Yeah.
But yeah, people hated it. Girls know, that's right. Happy summer, one and all, from Oregon, Dursey and Nikki too. Thank you so much
Thank you,
to both of
Dursey,
you.
Nikki.
So sweet. I gotta get you on the House Guest of the Day list.
Yes, glad you're doing well.
Yes, thank you so much. All right, and we also have a card here from Annabelle Anderson.
Oh,
Oh, is she also in Oregon?
really?
That is Oregon, right? I just want to see.
OR?
It's a different, you guys are in different zip codes, but
Okay.
it looks like OR.
Oh, and she also has a dog, some
It's the teddy bear sticker.
teddy bear sticker on
How
the back.
cute.
Nice.
I wonder how close you guys are to each other.
I wonder.
Oh, this is so pretty.
Ooh, hello.
Very, very cute. Oh my goodness. Thank
Oh,
you so much.
yes, thank you.
Okay, wishing you an amazing season. I can't wait to keep listening. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Janet and Maddie, thank you for all the time, energy, and heart you put into your BD recaps and live feed updates. You're so welcome.
Yes.
Watching you two is one of my favorite parts of the season. I've enclosed a small contribution as a thank you and to help support everything you do. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
I'm grateful for all the laughs and insights you've given us. Now for my shameless request. I'd love to be house guest of the day and share the honor with my sweet 17-year-old dog, Max. Oh my god.
Oh.
I don't know how many more seasons he has left. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
Aw.
That's so sweet. I hope you have many, many, many seasons left with Max.
Well, you are definitely on the list.
Yes, I'm gonna put you guys both on the list right after we're done filming. Much love, Annabelle. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you
Annabelle
so much.
and Max.
Yes.
Aww. It's so funny because I think of our babies as like crew members when we
Yes.
do the shows. Like, they're part of the team.
They are.
A lot of the time, they're like in the room with us while we're filming.
They're
so
almost always in the room.
they're part of the crew. I like to think they're like camera crew and
Yeah.
security. So
Yeah.
I totally get it. But thank you both so much.
I mean, we go through life with our babies.
We do.
They,
So
they share everything with us,
yes,
including our meals.
yes. So totally get it. But thank you again to
Yes.
Annabelle and Max, Dursey and
Dursey
Nikki,
Nikki, right?
and to our sample fairy.
Yes.
What is he looking at?
Clifford's feet.
All right, we're gonna go. Thank you guys all so much for being here. We will be back on Thursday with another vlog, and we'll have a new crochet video tomorrow. So
Oh, so
Should be fun.
exciting.
yeah. So thanks so much for watching, and until next time,
Much love. Bye.